This is a road test of a Multicomp arbitrary waveform generator. Model number is MP750511, US version. I'm going to just do a quick unboxing. It's got a nice carry handle here. Okay, I'm going to slide this out. There we are. So here we have the waveform generator, and there's accessories. So manuals and a CD, USB cable, power cable, and BNC cables for the outputs. So, got a nice carry handle, cables off to the side. So let's run through what's on the front panel here. We have 6 context sensitive buttons which would select what's on the menu over here. There are standard waveform buttons: sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, a pulse waveform, noise waveform, arbitrary waveform, and harmonic waveform. So we've got power button. We have a USB port down here. We have 2 channels. Channel 1, which has a synchronized output, a sync output, and a 50 ohm signal output. The same with this channel 2, 50 ohm and sync. There's an on-off button. The channel selector button is right here, and their trigger buttons are there. In this area we have a modulation mode, a sweep mode or continuous mode, and a burst mode. And of course we can select modes using these buttons as well. Over in this area we have a function selector, so we can use calendar, utility, edit. There's store button to capture waveforms and recall them. And there's a help button. Oh, this button here allows you to swap information between the 2 channels, so you can copy the same waveform from one channel to the other, or you can synchronize the 2 channels in frequency or amplitude, and also in phase. And of course we have a keypad here to allow us to enter data. So running around here we have the power cord and the fuse. We have an Ethernet connector, a USB connector to allow remote control of the device, and there's a locking chain capability here. And there's 2 input outputs over here. One is like a 10 megahertz external input, but it can also be an output. And there's a modulation FSK trigger output as well. So very nice. So that's the unboxing.